Heads up drivers, if you're looking to get a new license plate, you'll probably have a lot less choices to choose from. Due to an aluminum shortage, you can say goodbye to these license plates and hello to a new temporary solution.
It seems that there's a shortage of a lot of products these days, and now you can add aluminum to the list.
The department went everywhere they could to try to get that product.
Montana license plates are produced at the Montana State Prison in Deer Lodge. Inmates manufacture about 750,000 license plates a year, but because of the shortage, counties are receiving just a fraction of the license plates that they normally receive.
We're looking, and this is just a very rough estimate, about probably maybe 5,000 standard plates left.
When you get your license plate, the backing is aluminum. The numbers are vinyl pressed on top. But because of the shortage of aluminum, motor vehicle divisions had to quickly come up with a temporary solution.
There's this vinyl that overlays the onto the aluminum. So you will get that vinyl plastic not on the aluminum.
The plates will look the same, but just won't be as sturdy. Some drivers aren't too fazed.
As long as we still have license plates and we're getting it accomplished, I'm not too upset about it being vinyl.
A temporary solution, but one that might just stick around.
It is going to be something that we're all going to look back on and be like, when we're older, and be like, hey, I remember when license plates were aluminum.
Keep in mind, everyone who receives a temporary plate will get an aluminum one in the mail once production does resume. In Billings, Alina Howder, NTN News.